Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading both files into the editor so you can work non-destructively. This is why layers matter. Once loaded, place the blazer layer above the subject layer and reduce opacity to 50% to align shoulders and collar. Use the Move and Transform tools to position, scale, and rotate. Make sure seams and armholes follow the subject's anatomy. If proportions look off, nudge with small increments. You want the blazer centered and natural before any mask. Now refine the fit so the blazer wraps naturally around the body. You'll paint on a mask to remove overlaps at the neck and underarms, switching brush hardness as needed. This keeps hair and collar visible. Then apply subtle warp or perspective adjustments so lapels and shoulder seams align with the subject's pose. Once contours match, smooth edges with a small feather and sample nearby skin and fabric tones for blended transitions. This is how you avoid the pasted-on appearance. Finish by matching color and lighting so the blazer reads as part of the scene. Use selective hue/saturation and curves to align highlights and midtones. Make sure the blazer's shadow direction mirrors existing shadows. Add a subtle multiply layer beneath the hem and sleeves to ground the garment, then tweak opacity for realism. If seams or tone differences remain, create a global color lookup or paint low-opacity soft light layers to unify the scene. If things go wrong, reset the mask and realign from the placement step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.